Hi guys, my name is Ravikant Jagalapudi and a very warm welcome to all of you for a course on employee onboarding learning strategies. Now, before we go into the course, a quick introduction about who am I. Uh, Guys, my name is Ravi. I've worked with HSBC for 10 years, Wells Fargo for over 4 years, and presently run my own venture called Sai Equity. Let me quickly go through the kind of roles I've actually uh, had the chance of at HSBC. I was a process trainer to start with back in 2002. Being a transition trainer, been to Sheffield, was a behavioral trainer at the technology company of HSBC, and a training manager for over 3 years there. At Wells Fargo, I took on the roles of a learning partner for operations line of business and then technology lines of business, and also was a talent and learning manager. And before I ventured into my own learning consulting firm by name Sai Equity. Now, I played a key advisory role in creating and executing a learning strategies. Uh, I've understood business needs and worked pretty closely with HR business partners, line of business heads, and managers, and came up with solutions and learning interventions as well. I've got a lot of success stories in my overall journey at Wells Fargo and HSBC, and I've been able to tap the power of learning. In a couple of examples I can give is where we were able to sustain staff performance and ensure the department went business as usual. And by collaborating with business, I built an intervention which helped many senior financial analysts transition to team leads. And I've got many such more, which I'll share a bit later. So overall, I've been able to establish and scale best practice for project managing learning and development initiatives in partnership with multiple teams and stakeholders. I am an experienced learning and development leader with a demonstrated history of working in the banking and information technology industry with over 2 decades of corporate experience. I've got a master's degree in mathematics and computer science, guys. So here we go. We are looking at the onboarding, and it actually takes back almost 18 years. 2002 when I joined HSBC, day one was definitely a bit tentative. I think that's pretty common for all of us who actually work in different companies. The first day there are a lot of thoughts in terms of whether did I make the right decision. Even after getting really good recommendations from friends who've been working there and also others, there was this tentativeness which I actually felt on day one. And I think after the end of the day, after the induction was done, I was pretty confident that I made the right decision. It happened the same with Wells Fargo again back in 2012 when I joined. uh, I think that's pretty common for all of us, and I think that actually made me think that onboarding uh, for us employees is pretty important, but at the same time, it's very important for the company as such. So, in terms of onboarding, as to why exactly it is important, from an employee's first interview to our exit interview, you know, you want to make sure your staff have a great experience at work, and effective onboarding is key. Your employees are the heart of your business, and to better retain staff and keep them happy, you can show you value them from the start. A successful onboarding program not only helps new hires feel they're like part of the team, they also better understand the process and how their role contributes to the overall success of your business as such. And coming to our course, I was actually looking at five objectives for the course. Number one, shortening the time for new employees to become productive and revenue generating. That's important. Minimizing the cost of poorly trained new hires in terms of substandard quality and customer service. Third, reducing turnover. Fourth is increasing engagement. And fifth, very important, establishing leadership credibility. And the model that we are proposing as part of this course is validation, navigation, integration, and separation. So what we've done is we've included case studies from various companies and corporates to give a 360-degree view of how successful organizations are using onboarding as an effective talent management strategic tool for employee engagement. We also included a case study on virtual onboarding as such. So warm welcome to all of you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the program. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and also on Udemy for any questions and answers and any kind of hints and tips. I'm there, guys. Thank you so much.